Lesson number 23, 3.5, Language Study. Hi dear students, do you know how birds are flying? Birds are flying with their wings. You can also do the action of birds flying. Do one thing. Stand straight, spread your hands, move them up and down, up and down, up and down, like this. This is how birds are flying with their wings. So this way you did birds flying action. It means the words that express an action are called action words. Fly, hop, run, jump, sit, clap, swim, draw, dance, cry, write, laugh, sing, throw, and walk. Now, we'll learn to build sentence with the help of words. Walk. I walk to school. Sing. Rita loves to sing. Bounce. I bounce my ball. Draw. I like to draw funny faces. Jump. We saw a cat jump over the gate. Drink. My sister likes to drink tea. Dance. I have my dance class today. Talk. Today we'll talk about the rain. So students, now you learn how to build sentence with the help of a word. Practice it more with your teacher.